8 kilowatt system with the panels. You know, the sun hits them, they convert the solar energy into DC energy, which comes down to this inverter, converts that to the AC energy, which we use in our house. And then that runs, in this case, to the batteries, where they'll charge up from the panels. And then with the batteries, you have a lot of choices. You can choose to run them when your power goes out, and then that way you don't need a generator. The utility company, their electricity costs more. You can switch to your battery reserve and use the energy there since you charge it from your solar rather than pay the premium price.
These are optimizers. These help the system track every panel individually, and if you get any shade, it'll adjust the system, make sure everything's running as good as possible.
If you have one panel that goes bad, the optimizers take up the slack and put it somewhere else, so you still get same optimization even if you might have one faulty panel. And we can also identify that faulty panel immediately. Without having to go through and track the string, we can just find this particular panel if it's this optimizer.
That's cool.
Well, so the ones without the batteries,
Yeah.
all of it goes to the grid. So like it just, that's where the meter, it just rewinds your meter, and so it keeps track of what you use versus what you're sending back in. And there's no, you're not storing anything.
So the panels last, is what you're saying? They
Oh
last.
yeah. Snow, rain, hail, everything that I've seen in the weather, the only thing you could do is throw a tree at it and the tree might break through the glass, but I've never seen anything else shatter, damage these panels.